All right, thank you, Najah. Can't wait to check in with you throughout the night. There has been a sizable amount of turnover in the healthcare industry for years, but the largest groups by far are patient care technicians and certified nursing assistants.
That's right. And in tonight's Skill to Work, I spent some time with a former nurse in the Shoals who's using her experience to foster the next generation of PCTs and CNAs. Before they give shots to actual people, students in Colbert County's Health Science Academy practice on life like mannequins to master their technique. Program coordinator Beth Brumley wanted not only to help teach future CNAs and registered nurses, but also give back to her alma mater.
My heart is here. This is where I graduated high school from. And so I felt like I could pour back into the high school where I graduated from. And not only the high school, but the whole system, because I get to teach Colbert County, Cherokee, and Colbert Heights students.
One of the benefits of the program is that if students want to get an associate's degree in nursing at, say, Northwest Shoals Community College, they'll be graduating high school with some key credentials already in hand.
The first semester of nursing school, whether it be at Northwest Shoals, UNA, a 2-year or 4-year college, is CNA skills. So if you have this class, if you graduate with a CNA credential, then you're ahead. Because the very first semester when I went to nursing school, that was the skills that I learned.
And being able to fill that void is crucial in the healthcare industry. According to the National Healthcare Retention and RN Staffing Report, in 2018, CNAs had the highest rate of turnover at nearly 32%. That's a more than 4% increase from the previous year. Patient care techs had a turnover rate of about 30%. But for many, it's not about the statistics. Cherokee High School senior Julia Sledge had a very personal reason why she chose this path.
My aunt, she was diagnosed with Lou Gehrig's disease, and so I was around when she was basically like dying. I hate to say that, but that's what it was. And me and my mom would go over there and we'd help her. She had a feeding tube in her stomach and we'd help her, and she was in a wheelchair. She couldn't talk, so that just sort of motivated me to go into nursing.
Because of her work in building up the program, earlier this month, Brumley was awarded the New Teacher of the Year award by the Association for Career and Technical Education.
It's an honor to be able to represent my students, and I feel like my students have won this award because they're the reason that I won. I mean, they're the reason that I'm here.
Brumley tells me they are also working on making the CTE program a dual enrollment course so that students can get college credit. She says that will hopefully be in place in a couple of years.
If you would like to learn more about the program, just head on over to WAAYTV.com and click on this story under the Skill to Work tab.